Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how to schedule, start, and join a video meeting with Google Meet on your computer. If you are a Google G Suite user, go ahead and sign into your G Suite account. If you are not a G Suite user and plan on using Google Meet with a personal account, go ahead and sign into your Google account. Once signed in, let's head over to google.com and Google Apps and open Calendar. Select a day and time when you want to schedule a meeting. Add a name for the meeting. If you need to change the date and time, you can change them here. Invite guests to your meeting by entering their names or email addresses. You can add a description about the meeting. Save and send. Your guest will be notified by email with an invitation and a link to join your meeting. Open your Gmail, and to the left, you will notice Meet with option to start or join a meeting. Let's start a meeting. A separate Google Meet window will open. Click on More Options, Settings. For audio, choose your preferred device from the list and test. If you have more than one camera, choose from the drop-down list of cameras that you want to use. Choose the Send and Receive resolution of the video, and click Done. Join now, and you will enter the meeting with a pop-up box to invite guests to your meeting. Copy joining info will copy the meeting code to your clipboard, which you can paste to your favorite messaging app on your computer to send to your guests. Add People opens a dialog box that you can enter names or email addresses that you want to send meeting invites to. Send email when finished. To leave a meeting, just click on the hang up icon. From your Gmail, you can also join a meeting by entering a meeting code provided by the meeting organizer. You can also start and join a video meeting directly from Meet. Open a browser and type in meet.google.com in the address bar. You can start a meeting or enter a meeting code to join a meeting.